Sure, I believe that too.
Yeah.
It's just the time of time is so different, and right now I'm working as a broker, and
Okay, this is Paravi and Mr. Sakib and me. We are teammate and we do YouTube marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, and all type of digital marketing related work.
well, I even told Shaki that right now I want to even they start promoting videos. What I'm really interested right now is about editing or posting videos because I have a lot of videos, but I don't have the time to editing, to make the script, make all these things. So I cannot pay you right now for promoting when I don't have videos.
Okay,
Like if I start doing the videos and I start posting, like for example, every week, because I know that you have to keep posting constantly. If I post constantly, then I will be interested in
exactly,
promoting. But
exactly. Yeah,
mhm.
exactly. So we will help you with that, no problem. We can edit your videos according to your demand. And we are, Sakib is video editing expert. And you just send your raw video file to him, then he will edit it and he will show you. If you give any corrections or anything to re-edit, then he will fix it. And then after editing a final version, then he will upload it. And also if you want, he also, when he upload, he also do SEO also, no problem.
Okay, yeah, because I can probably be talking in Spanish, but you can have the subtitle in English and everything in English. I mean, I know that that works too because I see a lot of videos that do
Yeah,
English
we will
and,
do.
and
Yeah,
Spanish.
we will do.
Yeah.
But if you found any mistake, then you just inform us, then we will re
Oh,
correct
yeah.
this. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah,
yeah,
especially because I have like a lot of videos in my last trip from Chicago that I made all the videos on for YouTube, but I have my phone already like with getting too much. I mean, with uh, having too much space, like no free space anymore to make more videos. So I need to like right away all these videos that I already have, but how I will share to you without lose quality, or how you guys do that?
yeah. You can.
Uh,
The best way is you just upload it on Google Drive, then send link to us. Then your video
mm,
quality will not lose quality, and it would be very qualityful and raw file. So you just upload it on your Google Drive, then send link to Sakib. Then you share one
okay,
by one, and one of your videos Sakib will edit, then he will show you. Then if you finalize, then he will upload it.
okay,
Okay.
sounds good.
We have packages. Per video is only $15. We will edit your videos, then we will post it. We will post it,
Okay,
and we also do SEO also, no problem.
okay.
Okay.
$50 for one video.
Yeah, for one video. Not 50, 15.
1.5.
Yeah, 1 5.
Oh, okay, okay. 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 For example, if I have a lot of content in one that Chicago thing, for example, and then I want at least like 2 or 3 videos for the same videos, I pay you 15, 15, 15 for the 3 videos, for example, that I tell you, or tell you like, oh, I'll make edit or get the most videos you can, like I don't know, 10, and made it I don't know, for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So I mean, you know how to do all these things, right? Like
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
how to split, like, oh, part one, don't miss the part, like, okay,
No, you will
okay,
send
the
one
videos
video
and
base.
you charge of that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
you just send raw file, then you inform us that for this footage you make one content. Then
okay,
we will create one content. Then you will send again some raw content. Then you will tell us that make with the raw file, then another content. Then according to your demand, we will edit, no problem. And till you satisfied, we will re-edit, no problem. And our first priority is our client satisfactions. And our
okay,
yeah, and our work system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But we believe in long-term relationship. We believe that if
Sounds
I
good.
provide you the better service, then you will hire us again and again.
Mhm. Sure, I believe that too.
Yeah.
It's just the playing of time is so different, and right now I'm working as a broker, and the sometimes I like when I coordinate the time to call, and sometimes something's coming up, or I have to go a showing, or I have to do stuff. So that's why sometimes I don't have the same time frame for to do a meeting and call, and I want that's why I want to apologize with Chucky because I know there's been back and forth all this time, but I was very interesting. And but when we start talking, I didn't have the money in that moment. I have a little bit more safe, so we can start, like you say, start like for at least one video to see if we are if I am satisfied and everything, and I start exactly with 50% right now. I send you the money and the link, but you have to send me where to pay and what email I send my videos, so you can start mm, editing one
Okay,
for
okay,
now,
no
I
problem.
guess.
Sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. As a new customer, you can judge us, no problem. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send his Gmail address, and you just upload some raw files of your one videos, and you send it. Then he will do edit it, and he will send his also payment details. Then you pay 50% advance, and after finalize the work, you if you chose, then you can send a rest of the 50%.
Sure, sure.
Okay, so thanks for your time. Hope to work with you for a long time. So further communication will be go through your Gmail, and your contact person will be Mr. Sakib.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
You say your name was again?
Farabi.
Farabi.
Yeah,
Okay. Nice to
yeah,
meet you, Farabi.
yeah. Nice to
Thank
meet you
you.
too. Bye bye.
Thank you, Chavi.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye bye.